Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi from PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we talked about a morning dip that you could buy for a ride back up to touch the Bollinger Band again around 22. And we didn't quite get to 22, but the 1609 area continues to be good. We traded down to my daily pivot, which also ended up being our lower level from 1611.75 to 1611.5. Bounced off the 11.75. They were kind of locked up there in the 11s, and we got a nice little long trade there up to back up to the upper band. So, as I mentioned all week, we are riding the upper Bollinger Band in a news vacuum. There's simply no news right now until we get to jobless claims tomorrow morning. That doesn't mean we couldn't get a piece of bad news through today that would turn us around. But in that vacuum, this market has consistently traded higher. So what is on the agenda for today? Well, in looking at things, it's really going to have to do some work to get up to 29 to 32, which is what it's going to take to touch that band or potentially do another breach of the upper band. 1618 half is trying to be resistance, but you've got a lot of wood to get through on the downside. 15 to 17 is very dense with respect to support levels. Then you've got yesterday's lows down at 11.75, and then you've got the 1609s. And until you see, let me zoom in here, until you see on this daily chart, until you see the following day take out the lows from the previous day, your lean has got to be higher to go up and touch that band. Okay? Until the previous day's lows start to be taken out, you're not going to see this market start to turn over. So we tried to move it lower here about 5-10 minutes ago. I'm expecting a little bit of a pop off of the open, and then we get a dip down that the bulls should come in and buy. The question becomes, when they come in and buy the dip, are they going to stair step it higher, or are we going to find that 22 is very stiff resistance? I think if we get above 22, 23, you're going to see a very quick move up to the 28, 29 area. There's really not much to stop it once you get through 22, 23. So does the morning dip get bought? If so, can that morning dip take out 22, 23 and take us back up to the upper level? Or are we going to make lower highs and then potentially pull back a little bit, maybe into the afternoon, into the close, as we start to look at what jobless claims is going to look like tomorrow morning? So a lot more questions than answers today, but those are your levels, and that's what to look at. No news, grinding higher. It's worked all week. The question is, what happens to the morning dip? Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.